and that it shows that God already was involved in science in all parts of creation. I think it's going to strengthen our argument that science does prove God exists from the way we wrote the book. Let's start off with that topic. Thanks.
Absolutely. The Jewish concept of measure for measure, Meda K'neged Meda, reflects the principle that every action brings a corresponding response, a parallel to Newton's third law. This concept implies that moral behavior and intentions carry inherent consequences. Blessing someone may result in blessings returning to you, while actions rooted in harm or negativity bring negative outcomes in return. It emphasizes accountability and the natural justice woven into creation, suggesting that cause and effect extend beyond the physical realm into moral and spiritual dimensions. The fascinating connection to Newton's laws strengthens the idea that scientific principles mirror divine truths. Just as every force has an equal and opposite reaction in physics, spiritual forces react in predictable ways. Good begets good, and evil invites correction or judgment. This correlation offers a compelling argument that science and spirituality are not at odds, but instead reveal different aspects of the same reality. The ancient wisdom embedded in Scripture suggests that long before scientific discoveries, the laws of creation were already in operation, pointing toward an intelligent, divine design. This alignment between Jewish thought and Newton's third law provides a foundation for bridging faith and science, showing how God's justice is reflected in nature. It implies that spiritual consequences are as real and unavoidable as physical ones. Whether we act out of kindness or malice, the universe responds accordingly, confirming that actions carry weight and shape both our internal and external worlds. This concept challenges us to consider our choices carefully, knowing that every interaction creates a ripple effect in both the seen and unseen realms. It also supports the notion that science points toward the existence of God, as the very laws governing motion and morality align, suggesting a designer who authored both physical laws and moral principles.
Now imagine this. If the Torah talked about this way before Newton even talked about it, which it does in the Hebrew letters. Measure for measure, reaction to reaction. And that strengthens my argument all the more that science is not a byproduct of man's intelligence, but it's more of a reflection or a revealing of what the true God is.